Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix low sound problem on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly what you have to do, you just need to right click on your start menu icon and click on settings. After that click on system from your left side over here. On your right side you will get a sound option, so click on that. Now here you just need to scroll down a little bit, and under advanced option you will get all sound devices option, so click on that. Now under output device you will get your speaker device, sound device, so click on that. Now make sure that volume you have set it, the level is 100% volume level, and audio enhancement make sure that it is off, and after that restart your PC and it will fix your problem. Also you can try to unplug your, if you are using a USB headphone, then just unplug your USB headphone and reinsert it on your computer and it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.